Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use UnitedHealthcare UCard in Walmart. So let's get started. First of all, you gotta open Walmart, sign into your account, and then click on the search bar at the top. So you gotta type in United Healthcare and you'll be able to see United Healthcare Healthy Benefits OTC eligible products. So you can select any of these options. So I'm going to go with the first one, and you'll be able to see all of the items that are eligible within your benefits. So for example, I'm going to click on this one over here. So select any of the items you want to do so and just add them to the cart. So I'm going to click on add to cart. So once you have added all of the items, you got to click on cart button at the top right corner, and you'll be able to see all of the items that you have added to your cart. And then you got to click on continue to checkout. You'll be asked to enter your card details. So make sure to select the option of benefits card because United Healthcare card is a benefits card. So simply select that option, type down the card number, the expiration date, and the CVV number, and that card will be added to your Walmart account. Once done, simply click on checkout and you're good to go. So that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.